Welcome to Health Guide and Tips, the channel that helps you stay healthy and happy. In today's video, we will be discussing 10 yoga asanas that can improve your health and well-being. Yoga is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and has numerous benefits for both the mind and body. These asanas can help increase flexibility, improve posture, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote overall health. Let's start with the first asana, the mountain pose. This asana helps improve posture, strengthens the legs, and reduces flat feet. Stand tall with your feet together and palms facing forward. Inhale and stretch your arms up towards the ceiling, and hold for a few breaths. The second asana is the Warrior Two pose. This asana strengthens the legs, opens the hips, and stretches the chest and shoulders. Stand with your feet wide apart and turn your right foot outwards. Bend your right knee and stretch your arms out to the sides. Hold for a few breaths and repeat on the other side. The third asana is the Downward Facing Dog pose. This asana stretches the hamstrings, calves, and back muscles while strengthening the arms and shoulders. Start on your hands and knees, then lift your hips up towards the ceiling. Keep your heels on the ground and hold for a few breaths. The fourth asana is the Tree pose. This asana improves balance, strengthens the legs, and opens the hips. Stand tall with your feet together and bring your right foot up to your left thigh. Place your hands in a prayer position and hold for a few breaths. Repeat on the other side. The fifth asana is the Cobra pose. This asana strengthens the back muscles and improves posture. Lie on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders. Inhale and lift your chest up while keeping your elbows close to your body. Hold for a few breaths and release. The sixth asana is the Child's pose. This asana helps relax the mind and body, stretches the hips, and improves digestion. Start on your hands and knees, then sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Hold for a few breaths. The seventh asana is the Camel pose. This asana improves posture, stretches the chest and shoulders, and strengthens the back muscles. Kneel on the floor and place your hands on your lower back. Inhale and arch your back while pushing your hips forward. Hold for a few breaths and release. The eighth asana is the Pigeon pose. This asana stretches the hips, improves posture, and helps alleviate lower back pain. Start on your hands and knees, then bring your right knee towards your right hand. Extend your left leg behind you and hold for a few breaths. Repeat on the other side. The ninth asana is the Corpse pose. This asana helps relax the mind and body, reduces stress and anxiety, and improves sleep quality. Lie on your back with your arms by your sides and palms facing up. Close your eyes and breathe deeply for a few minutes.